Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So in today's video we've got a long awaited haul unboxing kind of thing. I've got a few things to unbox, and also if you're wondering about this makeup, this is all Primark makeup that I filmed for my TikTok and Instagram. So if you want to see how I created this look, then I'll link them down below, and a lot of those Primark products I'm actually going to show you today because I did a little Primark makeup haul. So yeah, so if you want to see what I got, then please stay tuned. So first of all, we're going to go, well, how should we do this? Let's go with the Primark stuff first, because my skin is looking great. I've got a bit of glitter there, but it is looking bronzy, glowy, skin light, and yeah, I'm absolutely living for this. So I've got a few things here. I've got things from Asos as well, Plouise, Body Shop, Jordana T-shirt, and Poundland. So we've got quite a variety, shall we say. But yeah, first things first is this foundation from Primark. So this is the airbrush foundation, which is full coverage and weightless, and this is what I've got on my skin now. So this is meant to be the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish dupe. I think that's the name of the foundation, and this was only £7, and oh my god, I absolutely love this bottle. It's in a glass bottle. I love the fact it's got like gold detailing. This is from Primark Pro, and yeah, like I say, it's £7, and this is in the shade Sand, and this is what I've got on my skin, and I feel like it is a really good matte, and my skin looks like skin, like it's glowy. Charlotte Tilbury is very matte finish. I feel like this is like a semi-matte, but I have got a lot of glowy product on as well, because underneath this I've got this. So this is the Get the Glow Radiance Boosting Liquid Highlighter. So I use this as my primer because this was giving me Iconic London Radiance, what is it called? Radiance Skin Booster, I think it was, dupe, and that's like £27, I believe. This was £4. Pretty similar. It does make you like look a little bit like the Tin Man, but then underneath foundation, I think it is really beautiful. And yeah, this is enriched with glycerin and rose water. So I use this as my primer because it had quite a tacky base to it. You get 36ml of product in here, so you get quite a lot for £4. But yeah, it was actually really nice. It's got a pump, and I'll just give you a little swatch. So this is what it looks like. I wasn't swearing at you then, I promise. But it's just a really beautiful glow, but it does highlight texture, I will say that. However, like I say, underneath foundation, it was actually really beautiful. So if you want to see that on my YouTube, then drop it down below and I'll do a Primark video for my YouTube as well. And then I also got another dupe for something, and this is the Sculpt and Bronze Contour and Bronzer Duo. So it comes with a cream contour and a powder bronzer, and this has given me Patrick Tart. This was only £5, and there's the shades there. So this is the cream contour shade, which is that, and this is the bronzer shade, which has got like a gold reflect in it, so it's like a little bit luminous, but I think it blended out really nicely. Let me just wipe my finger or something. Yeah, and I think it looked really nice. So that was only £5. And then I got this highlighter, which is what I've got on, and I'm glowing. Like, it's quite a intense highlighter. It has got glitter in it, but this is the Pearl Glow highlighter, and look at that. Look at that. That is just a beautiful highlighter. And this was only £3, and this is giving me like highlighter packaging vibes, like the original one. But yeah, £3.50 this was, and I think it is beautiful. I think it is really nice. It's not chunky or anything like that. And then I also picked up the concealer. So this is just a liquid concealer. I don't know what this is meant to be a dupe of, to be honest. Is it Charlotte Tilbury? Is it NARS? I'm not too sure. It says medium coverage. That it is. It's very light to medium coverage. It's a very liquidy formula. So yeah, if you want me to try this out on my channel, then let me know. And this is in the shade Ivory, and I'm pretty sure it was like £2. And then I don't know if I've shown this because I brought this in the Primark trip that I did before, and it's the moisturising foundation and a contour stick. I always see Jordan Lipscomb rave about this, and this is in the shade Chai. So I don't know if I've used this on my channel yet. I don't know, I don't think I have, but yeah, it's a really nice foundation and contour stick. It blends out really nicely. It is just very warm. I wish it was a little bit cool tone, just ever so slightly, but yeah, it is a nice product. And then I also picked up this, which is the Rare Beauty dupe, and this is the cream blusher in the shade Peach. So this is what it looks like. So it is quite hard pressed, but as soon as you like warm it up a bit, maybe with your fingers or something like that, then it does give a lot of pigment. Yeah, it is a really nice cream blush, and this was only £3.50. So yeah, like I said, I've got quite a few new bits from Primark, which I have filmed for my TikTok and Instagram, but if you want to see a video on that on my YouTube, then please comment down below. And then I also picked up, used it every day since, and it's my new favourite powder, and this is the Poundland Press Powder, which is in translucent 1, and this is a super soft matte powder for a shine-free finish, and it contains vitamin E, and oh, this with my Trigwell puff, unreal. And do you know what's good about it? It is literally £1. So it just, I don't know, it just gives you that airbrush but yet skin finish. Look how that has just mattified my glow. It is just sensational. I've been raving so much about it. I've been using it all the time. I think I've nearly hit pan on it already, to be fair. But it's just unreal. I'm definitely going to stock up for that. It's £1. It's £1. But if you got a Poundland near you, or you go in a Poundland, please get that. And then I also got from TikTok Shop the new Jordana T-shirt duo blush. So this is in the shade It's Casual, and it's what I've got on today, which again I have filmed a TikTok on, so make sure you follow on there because I like to do little snippets of trying some products. But this is what the blush looks like. So the top half, you've got the powder blush, well, the press blush, which is 5 grams of product, and it's like a really nice like peachy, it's like a peachy shade, like a peachy natural shade, but then it does have like a little bit of a pink in it. I don't know, it's just such a nice shade. Just twist it and undo it, and then you've got the cream on the bottom, and in that you get 15 grams of products. So yeah, it's so worth the money. Really, really good formula, absolutely love it. And yeah, I definitely need to pick up the rest of the shades. I'm just waiting for some of my favourite shades to come back into stock. These sold like hotcakes, so if you want one and the shade is in stock, get it, because seriously, I regret not getting Love Struck. That was a soft pink one and it looks divine. So they're all like the loose odds and sods that I've got. Then we've got an Asos Get Glam With Me box. So this box is £20, and my god, it's got some really good stuff in there. As I'm filming this, it is still in stock, so I will link it down below, but if you're seeing this late, I do apologise if it's no longer in stock. But literally, Asos release these boxes once a month, and they usually range between £15 and £25 depending on what's inside, but you always get 5 products inside. So open it up, and it's all makeup, this one is. So sometimes you get a bit of makeup and skincare, sometimes you do a hair care one, sometimes you do a perfume one, but yeah, just keep your eyes peeled. So first things first is this glowish blush. So I don't actually have this shade, so this is in the shade Sassy Saffron, which, to be honest, it does look similar to the shades that I have already got. So this is what it looks like. I do like these blushes from Huda, and that's a shade there. So it's just like a very warm, reddy, corally peach. I'm not very good at describing shades, if I'm honest. But yeah, so that already by itself is like nearly the price of the box. And then we've got a Pixie Makeup Fix and Mist with rose water and green tea. So this is a makeup set and mist, and it's 30ml bottle out. So I wouldn't say it was a very fine mist. It's quite an aggressive mist, but it feels and it smells really nice. Then we've got a Lottie London Ready Set Go setting powder in True Translucent, and it's a 5 gram pot, which I've never tried any of Lottie London's powders before, so I'm excited to try that. Then next we've got a Dole Beauty Nude Lipstick in the shade Come to Mama. So I have actually already got this, but I think I'm going to put this onto my Vinted, and this is what they look like. I do love the Dole Beauty lipstick. I use them all the time. Just look at the imprint on them. So yeah, I'm going to put this on my Vinted, as I've already got this, I think, twice, to be honest. And then last but not least, you get a palette. So this is the Revolution Pro Goddess Glow Ultimate Shadow Palette, and it comes with 16 shades, which has a combination of highly pigmented shadows and a mix of foil, glitter, shimmer and matte. But just look at this packaging, it's giving me Tarte vibes. It just looks stunning, and this is what the palette looks like. but just look how stunning those shades are. Very neutrally, but I just can't wait to play with this. So I think I'm going to do a video on this because it looks divine. I might do a video on all these products just in one video, test them all out, because yeah, like I said, I've not tried some of them before. Like, I've not tried that shade blush, I've not tried the powder, I've obviously only just tried the set mist, and I already have that lipstick anyway. So yeah, I'm going to do a video on this box. But I just think, what an absolute bargain, do you know what I mean? I feel like that was a really, really good box. And then we've got a Body Shop order, because if you don't know, I am a Body Shop at home consultant. So I will leave my link and my catalogue down below. If you do want to place an order, you can shop direct off my website, or you can just give me a message and I can place an order for you. But I've got some shower gels and shower creams because these were on sale. So you got the strawberry one, which is like my favourite at the moment. It just smells absolutely divine. And then we've also got an almond milk for dry sensitive skin, because I feel like my body's a little bit dry at the moment, so I'm really trying to take care of moisturising and making sure that I use like very hydrating products. So yeah, this will definitely do the job. And this is almond milk, so this is like a creamy shower cream kind of thing. And then I also brought some more shampoo. So this is the ginger shampoo, which I think really does help with like flaky scalp and dry scalp, which is what I tend to get. Then I really wanted a new serum, so I've gone for the Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Solution, because I feel like this will really help to clear up my skin as well. Suitable for blemished skin, and it's a 50ml of product. I had 15% off skincare, so yeah, I got this when it was on sale, and you get so much product in here. This is 50ml, which is usually very big for a serum. I did have some other things in it for other customers, but the last thing for me is this Aloe Soothing Day Cream, because I needed a new day moisturiser, and my skin, like I say, is getting very sensitive at the moment and very dry, and like the change of weather, it always does this time of year. So I thought I'll get something which has 48-hour hydration, and it's calming. And like I say, I've got sensitive skin, so I can't use a whole lot of things on my skin, but this is going to be perfect. And then last but not least, we do have a Plouise order as well. So this was the Cariad bundle. So basically this is a collaboration with Cariad on TikTok. She actually did a live and they put this bundle for it, and yeah, I think I got all this for £30 or £35, and inside you get the eye patches, which at the moment I absolutely love an under eye patch because my eyes are so dry. So I absolutely love under eye patches. So this brightens up your under eye, hides the history, and revitalizes and rejuvenates. I wonder how many you get in here, to be fair. Oh, so you get quite a few, you know. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know what I'm going to be doing tonight, and they've got Plouise branding on them. So yeah, I'm so excited to try those. Love an under eye patch. Then you do get a juice carton, which I'll be honest, I have already opened because I was dying to use them. My lips have been absolutely in need. And with that you get the lip scrub. So this is the Ladies That Lunch version, so it was like the strawberries and cream version that they brought out. I think it was unreleased actually, but you can only get it in certain boxes. So yeah, so you get the lip scrub, which is so good. It is very like slush puppy vibes, but this is what it looks like, but it's just so tasty, and they just smell absolutely incredible. And then you also get this lip sleeping mask, which the packaging is so cute, by the way. And you know what, I've been using this like not just at night time, I've been using it day and night because my lips have been so dry, and this has really been helping. I think this is like the Laneige lip dupe, you know, like the lip pots that are like £30 a pop. But yeah, I really want to get some more flavours of these because I've been using them every single day. But yeah, they just taste amazing as well. The only thing I don't like is screwing this bloody lid on. But yeah, there we go. So that you get that. And then last but not least, you get, well actually, you're meant to get a card in here to then give you access to the business course, which I didn't actually receive that card, but luckily because I'm on Plouise Pro, it was included. Like, I've already got it, I've already listened to it, which is really good, by the way. But yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed because if I didn't have access to that, I did want it in this box, do you know what I mean? But anyway, and then also this Timeless Treasure palette, which I'm absolutely buzzing about because this is the new version which I really wanted. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to open it up. Look at that. So this was like the top layer, which was already a palette, but they seem to have modified a lot of their palettes recently to include the drawer. It's very neutral, but like there's a lot of like cool toned and chocolatey browns, which I absolutely love. Like, I'm a sucker for these tones, but this is the draw, and just in itself, that is like my ideal chocolate palette. Like, I'm so excited to use this. So if you want to see videos on these, then please do let me know, and I will get them up for you soon. Yes, that's everything that I picked up recently. Let me know down below if you want to see videos on any of them, or if you've got any questions. But I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!